little overrated.
Very overrated.
Boys, I mean, come on, they're
Good for nothing.
good for nothing. And why are they good for nothing, Kelsey?
Well, because this person, you tell it better than I do.
Okay. Well, this person, or was it with the people? These people? This person, some person, told this other person, and that person told this one person, her ex-boyfriend.
We never went out.
You wanted to. Anyways, that he was in love with her, and they were saying that she was telling everybody that. That ain't true at all. Okay, it's like so retarded. So boys just like to trust other people and not their own girlfriend. I mean, come on. I mean, you'd rather trust her or anyone else.
Even though we never went out.
But you wanted to.
But anyways, he's an idiot. He's a douchebag. Nobody likes him.
Except for some people. Some people do like Bobby. Bobby Kennedy. I mean, canned. He's gonna be canned. In a can. From Canada.
Canada! Bobby's in Canada, that's it.
Yeah, it is. That's it. Well, boys are overrated. Or gay.
Yeah. Let's just hope he never watches this video.
Yeah, that'd be really bad.
Plus, it would just be weird because I'm 14 and he's 16 and he's only 5'6".
And I'm 5'7".
And I'm 5'4" and a half.
You're 5'4".
Yes. And a half.
And a half. Oh. Well, that's all we gotta say. Our point.
No, not yet.
No, come on. We're
Okay.
3 minutes.
Bye.
Bye.